Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing great. So today in this video I'll be showing you how I made this very light dinner idea, pineapple chicken. So light, so delicious to make, and you're going to love it definitely. So first off, I have my chicken, my boneless chicken or chicken breast, sliced in bit sizes. So I'm just going to add white wine to it, some cayenne pepper, some salt, and gently mix all that together. So now I'll be adding some cornstarch, or let's say cornflour, into it to help keep the chicken whole, lest they're all going to break in the frying oil. So while that's going on, I'll be preparing my sauce, a little sauce that will go with this. I added some chopped garlic, now my onions, and then my habanero and bell peppers. You can use just only bell peppers, but I love the spiciness that comes with habanero peppers. So now I'm adding my spring onions. Then I'm going to stir that all in. Done with this. So here I'm adding my soy sauce in the same pan after I've put up all my vegetables, some pineapple juice. I squeezed some orange juice into this. Here I have my tomato ketchup. Some salt to taste. My sauce is already thickening up, and I added later some pineapple juice. Here are my pineapple chunks. Just going to mix that in with my fried chicken. And now my stir-fried vegetables. Gently stir. Combine all of that. And I tell you, the aroma that I'm getting from my pot at this point, I can't wait to get done with this video, honestly. And we are done. I hope you try this out. These are for days when you are not so strong to do a lot in the kitchen, but yet still have a delicious one. So I hope you try this out and let me know, of course, as usual, how it turned out for you in the comment section. And stay good till my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.